How to find login page in your Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to find or add login page in your Squarespace website. It's gonna be very easy. So first you can go to squarespace.com and then log into your account. After that, go to your website and then as you can see, you will be in this dashboard and then you can go to website here on the left side of the screen and then you can just click edit here to go to editor page and then as you can see I don't have login page here, login menu in my header, so we're gonna add it on the header. You can click edit site header here and then you can click add element here. Then as you can see there is button, social links, card, account and then language switch. You can choose account and then turn it on and you will see there will be login menu here, and when you click it it will redirect to your login page. So after that you can just click save here and then you can click exit. And as you can see, the login page is here, so it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.